The Xiaomi sub-brand POCO has finally launched its new affordable 5G phone under X series in India called POCO X4 Pro with a stylish tray panel design. Talking about the specifications, the POCO X4 Pro 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate support. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it supports maximum 1200 nits of peak brightness. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the POCO X4 Pro 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 8MP ultra wide-angle lens with 180° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 13 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 67W super fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with liquid cooling technology to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.19 by 76.1 by 8.12mm, and it weighs around 205 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The POCO X4 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 5th. In laser blue, laser black, and POCO yellow color options. So what do you guys think of this POCO X4 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSoblog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.